Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rita. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different to what I usually do, which is either filming a short film of some sort or taste testing vegan products. So you probably worked out by the description that I'm dyeing my hair colors. I washed my hair yesterday just with shampoo. I didn't use any conditioner, so you can see it's looking a little bit dry. That's what's recommended. I was going to go to the hairdresser and fix this, do the roots, but I know myself. I would have gone to the hairdresser, I would have done my roots, he would have fixed this up and made it more platinum, and I would have been like, oh, I'm gonna leave it blonde for a little bit longer because it looks so nice. And I'm not planning on becoming a hair fail video by bleaching and doing something silly. I don't mess with bleach. With colors, you're just depositing color. There's no damage you can actually do to your hair. You can just make it ugly, I guess, but color is never ugly. So I'm going to be using Arctic Fox. I've got the 8-ounce bottles. So I've got Poison, Virgin Pink, Aquamarine. Oh, how stunning is Aquamarine, and Cosmic Sunshine. I'm definitely not diluting. I'm just doing direct dye. I'm not exactly platinum. Like, I've got bits like down here that I guess is closer to a platinum, but overall I don't really have platinum hair. It's kind of a bit brassy, so the darker the color, the more deposit I'm gonna be able to see. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like pink, and the reason why I'm starting with pink, like I've never done all these colors before. Like, I stick with your aquamarines, your teals, your blues. It's just because I want to do something different. I'm going to do pink up top because I feel like pink would really complement my skin tone. So I might use it to kind of shape my face a little bit. Like, I'm talking like I know how to perfect this or execute this, but we don't know that I know what I'm doing. Like, I don't even know if it's going to work out, if it's going to look stupid, blotchy or whatever. But the plan is pink. Maybe to like here, maybe like shape it a little bit down so it might look a bit like that. I'm going to do the blue, but I'm gonna like merge the blue and the pink so it has like a purple gradient effect, like, so it just kind of transitions to blue. And then, so blue might be, like purple might be around here, and then blue might finish up my chin, I think. So I've got hair to here. The main thing is I really want to stick with more teals, more greens, more blues. So they're going to be like hopefully the bulk of it. I don't want it to be even. I don't know if that's going to look silly. Is that going to look silly? Oh God, I don't know. You have no idea how long I've been thinking about this. And I've gone back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I just don't want to, I don't know what to do. Should I do it even? Or should I just do it the way I want? Well, we'll work it out. We'll work it out. From the blue, I'm going to use the aquamarine. The deal when I started this was that the aquamarine would be a sizable chunk of hair. And then with the blue and the yellow, I was going to mix that to make a green. And then the green would go after the aquamarine. And then I would finish off the ends with yellow. The other great thing is that it's conditioning. My hairdresser prefers that I use Arctic Fox. That's what was recommended to me. He said the color deposits better, it fades better. He said it conditions, it makes your hair feel great, it smells delicious. All these things that you kind of go, okay, well, obviously I'm gonna go with Arctic Fox. So I've never used it before. I only use cruelty-free vegan products. And this one is also fantastic because they donate a portion of the sale goes to 2 different charities, animal charities. They don't have to do this, but they're choosing to do this, and it's wonderful. So I'm happy to support them. I've got all my containers ready. I've got my hair clips so I can section my hair and do it correctly. Gloves, lots and lots of gloves, including these ones. So I'm going to use these gloves, and then if something happens to the camera and I need to operate the camera at some point, I don't need to take these gloves off, so I'll just put these on so I don't destroy the camera with dye and Ed won't kill me. Paper, my vitamins, my B12, my vitamin D smoothie, so delicious. It's super hot today. It's literally 40 something in Melbourne. Got my fan because it's really, really hot. I know, what the hell am I wearing? I hate getting dye on my arms or my, you know, like I want something that covers me completely. Like t-shirts, I hate pulling them over my head when I've got like dye or something on it. So I like wearing a shirt that I can just open and take it off and done. So I was going to use foil because I don't want the colors to bleed into each other. So I thought, oh, maybe I'll use foil to keep that from happening, but I don't know. Like I'm gonna start, I thought about I'm gonna just start from the bottom and then work my way to the top rather than the top to the bottom. It's gonna be a super slow, long process because I am going to basically do pink, purple, blue, aquamarine, green, yellow, pink, purple, and I'm just gonna do each section. It's slow, it's boring, it's tedious, but I feel like it's the best way for me to get a nice, even, clean, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm definitely not a professional. Am I in frame? Yes. I think I've managed to get the colors, true to life colors in this bathroom. What you should be seeing on camera is essentially the color of my hair at the moment. So as you can see, there's a bit of brassiness. I know it would be best to have like one flat color. In the past, when I've done my blues and my greens, and I've had all these different dimensions of blonde in, I kind of really liked it. I know it's a bit taboo, but I liked it because it gave me different shades of blue and green. Now, I think because my brown is a little bit dull, my natural brown, I'm going to add pink to that as well. I don't know how much it'll color, but I think it'll have like a little pop to it, so it should be good. We're doing 4 sections, so I'm going to, because my hair is quite thick up top, I'm going to go a little bit above my ear. Now that we've got our sections, we're going to put the colors. Oh, I get to open these for the first time. I'm so excited. Do you know I've had these since Christmas? Everyone talks about how delicious they smell. They actually smell like Hubba Bubbas. Okay. You know what, when I... Ah! No! Well, that's not good, is it? Now there's all blue on the yellow lid. That's gonna completely change the yellow. Help me. Why? I don't know if you can see how bright that is. It's crazy. Oh. Very smart. You make it smell good. Okay, so I've mixed everything. Let's get started. All right, so I'm going to make sure that before I apply any color, I am going to comb my hair out. The first color, pink. Let's do this. Now, I'm not going to do the pink very big down the bottom, and I was wrestling with this because I wasn't sure if I wanted the pink to be on the bottom. Like, so when you lay your hair flat, if my pink ends here up top, then why would I have pink here? So I was thinking, oh, do I just do the pink up to like here and then colors? And so when I do the bottom bits, I'm obviously only going to do the blues and the greens and the yellows. Does that make sense? Anyway, I decided if I put my hair up, you know, I want all the roots to be the color. So this is what I'm gonna do, but I'm just not gonna put as much pink or purple in the bottom sections. I might actually just leave the yellow to the end because I feel like that's the color that I don't want to have other colors. This is gonna be a slow process. Really loving this process at the moment. I don't know how I'm gonna feel halfway through. God, I really hope this works out. It says to leave it on for 45 minutes or something, if I remember correctly. But I'm literally just gonna leave it on for a few hours. I'm just gonna go around and do housework. I mean, I'm not going out, it's 40 degrees outside. I wonder how I'm gonna go with like color bleeding, like not now, but when I wash my hair, if it's going to, if the yellow is gonna go funny, because you know you're gonna have like all the colors above falling over it. That'll be interesting. Isn't it so satisfying to see like this color go on this blonde? How's my blending? I didn't think I'd love this green, but every time I put it on, I'm excited. All right.
Just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a just a fling. I can't help it. It's more than just If only you could see me now. If only you could tell me why you disappeared, you made me cry. So don't come back. Oh, you never took the time to say. You didn't think you should explain. Like I don't care, you're kidding me. Don't do that. Oh, I don't tell anybody, no. That I'm feeling so miserable. All my friends tell me to be strong. If they're right, why does it feel so wrong? Just because you hurt doesn't mean my heart don't want.
Alright, so it's a couple of days after I've actually done my hair, and I had done this whole big reveal and this whole big spiel about how happy I was, how good my hair came out. But when we went to check the footage, half of it was gone. So all the reveal was gone and the other half was gone. So I'm still gonna do it, but we're doing it outside today and my hair still looks amazing. Hold on. I didn't expect it to come out this well. What I'd said in my last video, okay, so a couple of things. So when I rinsed it out in cold water, zero color came out of my hair. Nothing came out except for the conditioner. And I thought I'd done something wrong for some reason. I'd went to Mum's house and done it over the bath, and then I came home and had a shower and rinsed it again, thinking something has to come out. Who knows, maybe my hair was super porous and like sucked all that color up for that extra moisture. I'm not too sure. I thought my hair was fairly healthy considering I use Olaplex at least once a week. But yeah, I mean, it feels healthy to me, it looks healthy to me. Usually when I see color run down the sink, I see money running down the sink, so I'm pretty excited about that. I mean, this is my experience, I don't know anyone else. I feel like all the colors really picked up individually. Like when I was blending, I thought that this section was all gonna look like one color, but you really definitely see the different colors. Such a great product. I'm really happy with the results and I'm definitely gonna do it again. Oh, sorry, I thought there was a chip on the camera. There isn't. And I think that's my cue to go because Mr. Lawn Man decided to mow his lawn. Alright, so I will see you around. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, maybe even subscribe. I tend to do either videos or taste tests for vegan products. So if any of that interests you, yeah, give a subscribe and a thumbs up. Even leave a comment, let me know what your experiences are, what your favorite colors are. And I do plan on doing updates on how this fades and maybe take some photos so then we can, you know, monitor the fading of and how long it takes and whatnot and how it fades. Yeah. See ya.